Hi guys, I just spilled my coffee. How are you? I hope you are doing well in this gloomy day. It's a bit sunny, but it's also a bit gloomy. But anyway, I just want to talk about something, or give my 2 cents about this topic that we call AI or artificial intelligence. And why is it a problem? Oh my God, AI is ruining our lives. I'm one of those people. Holy shit. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm also using AI, I'm also using ChatGPT, I'm also using these AI tools to, fasten my work so I don't waste time. But there are things that I find problematic, if I can say that. And that is, I think a lot of people can literally just cheat their way in the industry. With the AI, you can just ask questions and it'll give you answers. If you have problems, you can just ask it and then you have the solution. The problem with that is recently I went to LeetCode to try to solve a problem without using any AI tools. And it took me quite a while to solve those problems. And then I made a research and people are actually able to solve problems from LeetCode in like 1 minute. 1 minute. Can you imagine how crazy that is? And that is a problem because that is not the whole point of LeetCoding. The whole point of I can't even speak anymore. The whole point of LeetCoding is for you to understand a problem, for you to know your skills, if you can solve a problem or not. Because what if you went to an interview and the guy asked you a problem, asked you to solve this problem, and you don't know anything, you don't know how to solve it, just rely on AI. So that's a problem. Now I just want to add to that, and that is this kind of people, they are using AI and ChatGPT to their advantage. And the thing that I hate about it is that this is one of my pet peeves. These people, they act like they're an expert because they have the answer, they have the solutions, they think that they know it all. It's kind of sad in my opinion, because programming takes a lot of thinking. You have to be logical, you have to know the syntax, etc., etc. And the fact that we have these people who think that they're the best or they're an expert because they have this tool, it's kind of demotivating, and it's just one of the things that I don't like about it. Now, I'm not trying to gatekeep programming, I'm not trying to gatekeep this industry. In fact, I encourage people to write codes to solve problems, and that's also one of the reasons why I'm here anyway. I want to share, programming, and I want to help people understand how programming works. Recently, I'm working on this application. I'm using Unity, and I'm building this game where kids can, learn how to solve simple problems through fun and gamified levels. Okay, so I do have here the project. Currently, it's in a browser. I'm working with React and Tailwind CSS to make it look like this. This was inspired by Duolingo, and I want to make it look like that because it's cute and fun to look at, obviously. I'm also working on a Unity project and making sure that it's the same, but there's nothing in there yet because I'm working on the API, making sure that I can connect to an endpoint and make API calls, etc., etc. You know the gist. But yeah, for now, the plan is to make it look like this. As you can see, there's even a little bug because it's all saying start. It should not say that. It should just say start at the very top of the lesson section. But yeah, that's the progress, and hopefully I can share more in the future. ChatGPT AI inspired me to do that because I don't want to lose that problem-solving spirit. I still want to have that, mindset that if there's a problem, you can solve it. I want to keep it that way. Yeah, I just don't want to lose that spirit. And hopefully people will understand that AI sure will help, but at what cost? If you want to learn programming, as much as possible, try to avoid relying on AI. Yes, you can use it, but please don't like rely on it. Like if you have questions like descriptions of, I don't know, like CSS or HTML, what does it mean? You can ask it, but don't ask it to literally write code, because at the end of the day, it's not perfect. It's going to give you codes that are problematic or full of bugs. In fact, if you don't know code and you just copied and paste the code from ChatGPT, you don't even know if there's a security risk in that code. So as much as possible, don't rely on it. Try to understand the code. Don't just copy and paste it. You know, I just gotta say that I was very lucky to, learn programming in a way that is fun. I started learning programming when I was like 12 years old, and I learned like Flash, action scripts. Maybe you have watched my documentary or whatever it is. And yeah, it's really fun because you get to learn the basics, the conditions, the variables, how to move an object from one place to another, how to create the graphical user interface. Those things was really fun to learn. And without help of AI or ChatGPT, it's all just Google and Stack Overflow. And those are the days that I kind of miss, because everything is just simple and you have to really think a lot. Now it's all just fast and the answers is in your face. So yeah, I guess it's just one of the things that is unavoidable or inevitable. You can't really escape it, especially now. I don't think AI will disappear anytime soon. In fact, it's going to keep growing. I just saw days ago there was like a tool where you can create music or you can make an AI sing a song, which is honestly pretty funny to to experiment on. If you want to test that, I'll put the link in the description below. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for listening. I've been trying to create something different, not just learning how to make Shopify apps, not just Shopify themes, how to customize your Shopify themes. I want to try something new. I'm also working on a new documentary. I don't want to spoil it, but it's been taking a long time and it's been taking a lot of filming. And I hope I get to finish that before I finish my master's, because yeah, I just have 3 months and I'm done with my studies, and I'll be working somewhere soon. And I hope I'd have more time to work on this, to work on my passion or to work on my hobbies. Yeah, it's gonna be a long year, and I'm looking forward to see that. I'm looking forward to share it with everyone if I can. We'll see. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on another vlog, I guess. This is probably a vlog. Yeah, cheers.